Button a face.
Dexter!
Look over there. Look at the camera.
Dexter, look at the camera.
20, yeah. Yeah, normally they live between 40 and 50 years in captivity, so they can live alone.
AJ's taking pictures from his angle too. So cool. Look at Rachel with the selfie. Good job.
That's awesome that they crack the shells open. That's awesome.
Yeah.
Eats what's inside and tosses the rest. It's not edible.
He's like, hey. The other one's getting ready to come out.
He was like,
Oh yeah, you'd have to have a double enclosure.
For a seat. What do you think?
Yes, he was. He's already tried to steal my camera. See, watch.
There he goes. There he goes.
Oh, vamos por acá.
Where are we going?
Ponga su cabeza al par de ella y...
I got to take it with me. I'm sorry.
All right,
So pretty.
we're gonna continue this way, guys.
You're fine. I'm good. Come on, Mama. No, I helped him. He was done.
You said you wasn't getting a picture, right?
No, I didn't get a picture.
Where'd you go?
He was already in flight. Mom.
AJ, those pictures you took are horrible.
Oh!
You have to do it with a finger.
Ow!
Pretty intense.
Holy hell.
AJ, like,
Mom, you get your time ready? Okay. Your turn, Bubba.
You gonna get a picture of this?
Good luck, Frank. You got less hair than I do.
You gotta fit into it. Not bad, actually.
Wait till it moves around.
Karina?
I'm coming.
I'm running out of birds.
Hola.
oh yeah, they are pretty sharp.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah,
Like
they
rip
feel
it
like,
on
they feel
too.
like head massage.
Well, hello there, too.
You do speak Spanish.
What are you doing?
All right, you turn.
Yeah.
You wanna do this, sir? Just put your head in front of it.
Out of bird seed.
All right. You got his picture?
Guys, don't be underneath.
Wow.
Yeah, because it's
I agree, that hurts.
Uh-oh.
Here we go.
No,
I didn't.
Yes, I'll do it. I didn't get him on my head, I got him in
I
flight.
don't got anything.
Careful. Oh. They can break your finger, you know.
Oh,
you're okay. You know what happens when they don't feel safe? They want to crash a little bit because they want to hold down.
Oh yeah, they want to hold.
Yeah.
Because that's how they. Yeah.
Turn, dude. Turn.
Dale, le pego el pequeñito a los dos niños, por favor.
I'll just do one family one.
Oh, what about me?
Let Dad hold it.
Okay, espérame, yo te lo pongo.
I'm scared.
You're right.
Hey,
You can do it.
Hey, a sweetheart.
Do you clip their nails at all?
No.
Their nails never go. They're very long.
She's like, hey, got my camera? All right.
oh.
They're so long.
Hi.
Okay.
Hi.
Rachel, your turn?
Okay.
Yeah.
Ready?
Her turn.
That's so cool.
Guys, get close right there so you can see
It's
the
amazing how much they want you.
Like, they keep trying to look at you.
Look at that smile.
Get you?
Look at that smile.
Oh. Is he trying to take your phone?
Yes.
Oh, he woke up, AJ. Or she? That one wants you.
Look at the smile on his face.
He's coming. Oh, he's coming. Oh, he's coming. No, I'm not allowed. I don't think.
Rachel, no.
I don't think I'm allowed.
He wants you.
Hi, buddy.
I think he's a baby. Look how small he is compared to them.
No, I don't think we're allowed.
Oh, I don't think we're allowed, Rachel says.
Oh.
Those animals didn't drink water either. They get a liquid off the leaf. Yeah. And they live between 25 to 30 years. So the most of the time they're sleeping, guys. And they go to the restaurant only once a week. Wow. That's the only time they want to come down to the ground. After that, they want to keep up and in the tree. Yeah, they don't feel safe on the ground.
Our glasses.
They're not real.
I wouldn't call them 300, but
Anyway.
hi, Rachel.
Hi. I'm really not happy with this purchase. I like his better.
I'm really not.
Well,
Oh, wait.
I tried the.
good for you is that they're not for you, they're for me. And
I tried
chose
those
these.
ones on.
They're definitely
And I was like,
not
I don't know.
legit.
And then he handed me these, and I'm like, I like these better.
They're not legit.
Why not?
Because they're not.
Let me see them. Ooh, salty.
It's not like you have to approve the purchase, they already bought them.
I don't care what he does.
Yeah, Frank. We don't argue at all.
Oh, yes. Oh, never.
Never.
Only 60,000
This is how porn started. One guy with a camera, two people. Wow, wow. Is everybody smiling at the same time? Because that's the question.
Everyone is smiling.
We're turning.
There's more.